Welcome to Bittoken, ladies and gentlemen. So there's a little update on the app. As you can see, migration completed. So for you to continue using the app now, you need to download a new version, but the newer version is not yet on Play Store. So to get the APK, so to do that, you click on download Bittoken Android APK here. To be redirected to the site, and of course APK files normally come with this warning, right? So it's up to you. If you still feel like, yeah, you have trusted the prestige of the platform and you want to continue, click on download anyway, else you cancel. I'm going to download anyway, so you make your own decision. Download it. So let's open it. Do you want to install? All right, so my phone system has scanned and it has passed the security test that the app is safe. So let me open it. So you log in with the same information, your login credentials. Provide your email address, solve a captcha by summing this up, and you click on login. And by the way, if you do not have an account on Bittoken, I'll put together a video on how to set up your account, so you go watch that first, because I wouldn't want to be repeating myself all over. They're asking me to connect Telegram again, so let me click on both here to get my chat ID. So your chat ID is different from your username, right? So this bot will help you get your chat ID. All right, so here we are. Okay, so your chat ID, after you click on start, your chat ID will show up, and you copy this, you paste it here, and you solve the captcha. So after that, it says account verification. Please enter your email account to receive OTP. So you provide your email, you solve the captcha, and you click on login. So the OTP has been sent to your Telegram bot. So I've seen it, 8119. So click on claim. If you want to claim double the reward, you watch an ad. I want to claim just what's available. So I've claimed that. Continue mining. What's new here? Well, the interface is not looking like the old one. At the end of every month, RP is automatically exchanged to BTT, right? So let's check commissions here. There are no unclaimed commissions available. I claimed 1 point something USDT the last time. So let's click on earn. Earn more reward points by completing this simple task. So you should complete as many as you can. So here is a YouTube content creator hub, Dubai. So 10,000 reward points are up for grabs here. So let's watch it. So your task requirement is as follows. Click the start button below and carefully watch the unveiling video. So after watching the whole of the video, you come back and you receive 10,000 RP. So you click on start task here. You'll be redirected to YouTube. Paste it. Don't type it here. Write it somewhere and copy. And bring it and paste it. Alright, so it says that please wait 1 minute before you can mark this task as completed. And there's also a warning here. You shall be penalized with a deduction of 10 times the reward you claimed falsely, or your account suspended if after multiple reviews of your task performed later shows incomplete. Alright, so after waiting for 1 minute, you input the code. Like I said, write it somewhere, type it somewhere, and copy and paste. Congratulations, you have successfully completed this task and received 10,000 RP, right? That's what's up. Well, here it says I've got 10,000, but here is, I'm seeing 20,000, but that's what we have up there too. So task is completed and paid. I had 400 something there before. I was hoping it to be 10,400 and something. Well, you have ads here to watch, 1,000 RP per ad. Alright, so I've completed these ads. I think there were like 20 of them. So you watch for some seconds and you have 1,000 RP reward points for each one of them. So I've watched them and I'm now claiming the rewards. Alright, I guess I've claimed all of it. It says I've got 29. This guy taking taxes. Are they taking taxes? Because I'm supposed to have more than this. Am I not? Alright. I was surprised, you know. Alright, so now I've got 30,000 RP. BTT is speculated to list at $0.5, and that means 11.99 will give you this $6 worth of BTT here. In the meantime, you can stake your BTT and earn rewards, right? If you have them and you're not using them, of course, why not? You should try staking. So these are the percentage yields for staking. Let's click on stake now. The minimum staking amount is 1 BTT, right? So I think you're good to go. My balance is good to go. So let's take it 6 months. So to earn 9.71 BTT. So stake. Isn't a valid All right, so your number needs to be to the nearest. So it should be like this. Stake. 6 months, 30%. Confirm. All right, so I've successfully staked my balance since I can't withdraw it. And BTT already have their P2P marketplace where people are actually trading, right? You can find it here, P2P. I've done my KYC, of course. That's the necessary prerequisite before you can use the P2P marketplace. So there you have it, guys. That's how to update your Bittoken app and claim free 10,000 and then 20,000 RPs. As you can see, I've claimed a total of 30,000 reward points. So thanks. I'll leave my invite link in the pinned comment, as well as the tutorial I made on how to set up your Bittoken account. So you jump on it and do the needful. Do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.